Here we go, guys. Good luck. This is a random player draw for 2013-14 Panini Basketball Flawless Random Player Box Break number 55. This one's called 55. 55 filled before 54. Word? There you go. 54 will be next. Alright, I'm going to roll the die for the draw. If I roll an odd number, we break the top box. If I roll an even number, we break the bottom box. 6. Hitting the randomizer 6 times, doing the bottom box. Serial number on the back of the bottom box ends in a 92. There we go, 1092. Good luck, guys. With your names, we start with You the Man on the bottom. Hashtag Benedict Donzi on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Jason Airy, number 1. Dun, 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 a 189 total. And D.N.H. Martin down there at the bottom. Alright, on to the players. Zydrunas Ilgauskas at the bottom. A.C. Green at the top. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your winners. 6. Victor Oladipo to the top. Marcin Gortat to the bottom. I'm going to sort this alphabetically by your username so it's easier for you to find your players. And then we'll scroll through. Start with Benedict Donzi on the top, down to number 31, Cards Attack. Some hashtags, 1, 7, A, B, and some C right there. Find what you got. Break that's next is the next Flawless. Then we got a dual case of Inception and a single box of Exquisite Football. Steve's breaks will go tonight too if you're into getting one of Steve's breaks. I think he's got that Inception case he's going to break tonight is close to full, and a Prospect Mixer. Alright, 32 down to 62. 32 to 62. Cards Attack down to Devin. Yeah, Steve's are taking a little while to fill. We keep cycling through mine. That's why it seems like all his are still there. Nothing else is going up because ours, the other ones keep getting broken. All right, 63. Oops. 63 to 93. Devo52210 down to K Daddy. All right, we'll go 94. Oops, 94 to 124. K Daddy to Mint Scully. Clear vision is not going to happen, man. It's down to 16, but 4 guys asked me for a refund in the last 2 days, so there's probably still 20 left when you count in the refunds I had to send out already. Just going to refund everybody else, man. I'm going to freaking light that thing on fire. 125 to 155. Just when you thought it was getting close, you realize people backed out. "2015 Inception" is for tonight. No, that's not my style. 156 to 186. Scotchy down to Udaman. Alright, and the bottom one's the rest of Udaman. It's the 189er. Everybody did, Sean. I took them all. I cleared all the mods 3 weeks ago. You just haven't been around since. Alright guys, there you go. Start trading or selling your players.